Hi, I'm Jason with SMT Research. I'm here today to talk to you about FutureCast systems that get installed in inverted roof assemblies. Typically, when we talk about inverted roof systems, we're talking about a concrete deck with membrane installed directly on top of it, followed by a drainage mat, insulation, and potentially a green roof or other plaza deck coverings. The FutureCast grid typically goes on the top side of the membrane. During the construction process of inverted roof assembly, FutureCast grid will be installed right before the drainage mat, insulation, overburden get installed. How the system works is that we place a light layer of water on the top side of the membrane and charge that light layer of water with electricity using the electric field grid. The digistars pictured above take measurements of all the electricity that is flowing between the top layer of the water down through the membrane to the concrete below. The electric field tape, combined with the digistars, makes up a complete system in which we install within a grid. The granularity of the leak detection system is dependent upon the size and location of these components. When an inverted roof assembly is completed, the green roof, gravel, and insulation will cover the membrane and not enable a traditional inspection method. This is why SMT installs electronics in these systems to give you continuous data as to how your membrane is performing. FutureCast will monitor the membrane continuously and will generate reports finding membrane breaches for the life of the building. Thanks for listening. If you'd like to learn more about FutureCast or other innovative systems from SMT, visit us at smtresearch.ca. How does this work again?
Shut up. We did not just spend the last hour for you to say that.
You press that button?
Shut up.